Hi guys, this video tutorial gives you the information about how to install the Drupal in your local system, that is Xampp systems. So for that I need the Drupal setup. So I just go to the Google and go to the drupal.org website for downloading the latest Drupal package. So this is the drupal.org website. So I'm gonna get started with Drupal. So from that, here the current Drupal version is 7.31. So I just click download Drupal 7.31. So it redirect to the latest package, that is it's now available in zip and the dark packages. So I just download the zip package. Once downloaded, we can use it in our local system. So in the meantime, I just go to create the Drupal folder in my Xampp htdocs folder. So I just create one new folder called Drupal. So once the download has been completed, you just extract the files and copy the Drupal all files into our Xampp htdocs folder. So before that, I just check our Xampp server is running. So it's working, I think. So I just type localhost, it's working. Also in the meantime, we need to create the database for accessing our website. So I just go to localhost php myadmin. From that we can create our databases. So you can access another way by using the command prompt. So I just go to my convenient way. It's a php admin. So I just create database Drupal, name it as Drupal, and then I just choose the collection as general CI. So my database has been created. So I just check my download has been completed, whether completed or not. So it's in progress. So my download has been completed. So I just extract the folders. Yeah, it's extracted. So I just enter into the folder and copy the files, and I just copied and pasted into my Xampp htdocs folder. That is, I just created newly one folder called Drupal. So I just paste it over here. So the package downloaded and the settings has been made. So I just need to access the folder. So I type localhost/Drupal in my browser. So it's called the corresponding package. So here we have the installation has been started. The installation has been simple. It's just installing any software packages. So it's having first step standard and virtual. I choose standard as my profile because it's downloading all the basic modules. Then I just choose the language has been, another step language has been English. So it's a built-in. So it's already selected. So I just click save and continue to the next process. You can access any other languages by using the below links. So another step is database configuration. So I already created my database name. So I just type my database name as Drupal. the below we have database username and database password fields. I just create username and password. Suppose it is available, means you just create your username and password. So once created, advanced option is also there. Database host and database port and table prefix. So database host has been localhost, we just leave it as localhost. Database port is also, we just leave it. For table prefix we can create any prefix name. I just create sample as my database prefix, so sp underscore. Sorry guys, I made a mistake. So I think database username and password must be give correctly. I think in our localhost we just need database name as root, so I just remove my database username Drupal into root, and then database password leave it as empty. So now I check save and continue. So I think it's working. Yeah, it's in progress. So from that step it's been loaded all the current packages, modules, there is default available modules, everything in the core package. It can be installed, and the database configuration is also connected. Every process has been going in progress through this process. Once this process has been completed, the installation has been completed. So it installed each and every modules that is available modules. So it's 100% completed. So next step, it shows the configuration site. So it's been some basic information we need to give for our site. So it's a site information asking site name. So I just type my site name as sample Drupal's website, and then the site email address. So you just type your email address. I just type my test email, and then site maintenance account, that mean the site manager. So we need to create the site manager username and password. I just create as admin, and then the password has been given. So another settings are not necessary, we can change it in future by login to our admin panel. So I just leave it as empty, and then default time zone is already selected. So update notification is also checked, because we receive some module updation in our Drupal community website. So I just leave it as it is. So once click save and continue, everything we are done. So the standard Drupal setup has been done. So congratulations, you install in Drupal, it's showing. So below we have a link, visit your new site. So I just open the link in new tab. So I just click it over. It shows the Drupal installation. So it shows our sample website, the front end and the admin tool configuration, everything in one site. So it's the sample site. Welcome to sample Drupal site, our site name. So in the top of the toolbar we see various menus, that is for accessing our admin panel. So here we logged in as admin. So once logged out, you see the layouts of our front end. So you can log in by accessing our type the user in our URL, that is site name / user. From that we can access our admin panel also. So this is the basic installation of our Drupal website. I hope this is useful for beginners. Thank you.